Hey guys, it is Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video. Today we're talking about Survey Junkie. This site has been around for a while. It is one of the legit ones. And we're just gonna take a little look at it. It is a good way to make extra money. This is not going to be something that you use to make like full-time pay. Alright, so we're gonna look at Mr. RJ Weiss, his review of Survey Junkie. He talks about his test results. You do have to do the qualifier surveys so that you can start receiving surveys. He talks about doing this for about 30 minutes a day to complete the surveys, and he has made about $3.75, $3.75 per hour. Down here he talks about half, he qualified for about half of the surveys that he was sent. Now, this will be probably different for many people. It will be different for everybody, but that's probably about right, or it has been for me at least. Some pros and cons. It's one of the highest ranked and most well-known paid survey sites. Survey opportunities improve with the more time you put into it, and the cash out thing is low at like $5. But some cons are there's a limited selection for cash out options. Survey Junkie says that on average you will only qualify for one of the 5 surveys that you are sent. He only qualified for about 50%. So keep that in mind. It does take effort. This is not a get rich quick anything. All, I would say, legit survey sites are not get rich quick. It's like, help make ends meet kinds of work. Now we're going to look at the Trustpilot score, which is 4.2 out of 5, which is pretty high compared to some. But I have seen some things on Reddit. Let me go find them. Hold on. Okay, so this is the Reddit this is the Reddit Poverty Finance sub, and they're talking about Survey Junkie. It appears that some people have had a bad experience with this website. I've never had a problem. I've never seen anybody, I don't know anybody personally who's had a problem with it. Some people appear to have issues, but it seems like it's mostly because people don't like the fact that you can go through a survey on the website, and in the middle of it, you'll get disqualified. Now, I understand that. I hate that, but that's how a lot of survey sites are, unfortunately. I've seen most people, their problems with it are that the pay is low, they get disqualified in the middle of the survey, and they feel like it's a waste of time because of how low the pay is and how many surveys they get disqualified for. So with that being said, I do know of a website that I prefer that I'm going to show you guys real quick. Now this website is Paid Viewpoint. I love this website because I've never been disqualified for a survey here ever. I've been paid for every single survey I've ever taken on this website, and they generally send me 3, 4, up to 5 a day, and the cash out point here is also low at $5. I will link the video for that below so you can go watch it at your leisure. And actually, before I go, I will show you one more. Okay, so this one is called Prolific. They pay in Great British Pounds. So I think I got paid for every study that I've taken here except for one. There is a waiting list, but it didn't take me longer than a week to get off of the waiting list to start taking studies. And I've done a lot of studies here. So, yeah. You have to have a PayPal account, and in PayPal you'll be able to convert your Great British Pounds into USD. pretty easily. This one is highly, highly recommended because there are generally a lot of studies to do, and there are also, they range in pay, but with them being paid in Great British pounds, it's like you have to do a little bit less work if you're getting paid, and if you're turning your Great British pounds into USD, it feels like you're getting more money for less work, if that makes sense. The work is what it is, but it just feels like you're making more for your time. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tip, donate, comment. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to join the Discord. It's free. Anyway, that's it. Bye for now.